Hello, this is Petfix Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to install these shelves. So the first thing you want to do is to install them from top to bottom. So the first shelf you should put up should be this big one here. You've got two screws sticking out from the bottom, one on each side. You have to put the shelf on the wall first and then screw the two posts in these bolts, and then you've got these smaller shelves with those little holes there. You should have two of those. There's a hole on each side, and you should locate that shelf just under the post. That's the easiest way to do. You don't have to do any measuring. Use these screws to secure the shelves to the wall. These ones for the scratch wall, which is this one here. This is the scratch wall. It's secured with 6 screws, and through this hole you have to use this bolt. So you've got the post on top, and you have to insert it from the bottom to the top. That's the easiest and the best way to put these shelves up.